Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Copy your world folder and player. Dat to a backup location, because once you change configs, you may need to restore. Next, open your launcher and note the active profile, version, and Java arguments so you can reproduce it later. Once done, quit Minecraft fully and turn off mods and resource packs that change UI or controls. This prevents extensions from immediately rewriting defaults as you work. You now replace corrupted settings, navigate to the game directory and locate options. TXT and any mod-specific options files. Rename them to options backup. TXT so Minecraft will generate fresh defaults. This preserves a copy you can inspect. Then restart the launcher with the same profile. Make sure to run the exact game version you noted. If you run a server or forge/fabric, open mod config folders and revert relevant entries so client and server settings match and won't auto-overwrite. You finish by launching Minecraft and carefully reapplying your preferred settings through the options menu. Change one category at a time and then exit to write the new options file. Next, join a test world to confirm settings persist across restarts. If something went wrong, restore specific files from your backup rather than overwriting everything. Troubleshooting tip: if settings still reset, clear the launcher cache and verify file permissions. Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.